Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, March 6, 2024 on our channel. MHI Thermal Systems to add Hydrolution Pro series of air-cooled heat pump chillers. New industry data shows a 166% increase in qualified heat pump installers. Technician training in Egypt. UK Alternative Energy has installed a Panasonic Aquarea J air-to-water heat pump. California man arrested for smuggling potent greenhouse gases into the United States. Caverion Corporation and Assemblin Group to combine and create a leading Northern European technical service. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. MHI Thermal Systems to add Hydrolution Pro series of air-cooled heat pump chillers. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Thermal Systems, Limited, MHI Thermal Systems, a part of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI Group, is to add and quad, Hydrolution Pro, trademark registration in progress, and quad, series of air-cooled heat pump chillers to its product lineup for the European market. This series consists of 3 models with capacities of 50 kW/75 kW/100 kW classes. These models are designed to suit various applications, ranging from space cooling/heating in residential and office buildings to cooling/heating needs in industrial and IT settings. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. New industry data shows a 166% increase in qualified heat pump installers. The Heat Pump Association is delighted to share new figures which highlight a significant advancement in the number of individuals qualified to install heat pumps within the UK. In what demonstrates a growing interest in this sector, the number of individuals who have completed training to become qualified heat pump installers has seen an impressive increase of 166% from just under 3,000 in 2022 to close to 8,000 in 2023. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Technician training in Egypt. Integrated Development Group, IDG, in collaboration with the Ministries of Environment and Technical Education of Egypt, organized 3 technical trainings on sustainable cooling in Nasser City Training Center, Cairo. The Cool Up program trained a total of 45 refrigeration and air conditioning technicians from private service centers and companies like Al Sharkawi Tech, Sanusi, Kadamia LG, Active Air, and Gulf Nasserie. The trainings focused on teaching these technicians about the optimal use of environmentally friendly alternative refrigerants. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. UK Alternative Energy has installed a Panasonic Aquarea J air-to-water heat pump. UK Alternative Energy Limited, who are based in Lincoln, Lincolnshire, have recently transformed an old warehouse into a new modern and welcoming workspace, centered around sustainable heating and power technologies such as heat pumps, solar PV, and battery storage solutions. The warehouse overhaul utilizes Panasonic's Aquarea J series, 9 kW, and Panasonic Pachi NX series, 12.5 kW, ensuring not only energy-efficient heating, cooling, and hot water provision, but also serving as a live showcase, demonstrating the remarkable potential of renewable heating innovation. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. California man arrested for smuggling potent greenhouse gases into the United States. Michael Hart of San Diego was arrested and charged with smuggling greenhouse gases into the United States from Mexico and then selling them for profit, in violation of regulations intended to curb the use of greenhouse gases and slow climate change. This is the first prosecution in the United States to include charges related to the American Innovation and Manufacturing Act of 2020, AIM Act. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Caverion Corporation and Assemblin Group to combine and create a leading Northern European technical service. Triton Investment Advisors LLP, the company managing the entities comprising Triton Fund V, together Triton, which indirectly control Crayfish Bidco Oy, today announces its intention to combine its portfolio companies Assemblin Group AB, Assemblin, and Caverion Corporation, Caverion, under a new brand, the Assemblin Caverion Group. Crayfish Bidco Oy holds approximately 94. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.